Today, we're going to be talking about ratios and proportions. Ratios are used to compare two or more numbers. For any two numbers a and b, the ratio is written as a to b equals a divided by b equals a over b equals a divided by b. For example, if a equals 3 and b equals 4, then 3 to 4 equals 3 divided by 4 equals 3 over 4 equals 3/4. The first term of a ratio can be any number. The second term can also be any number except 0. If the two terms are multiplied by the same number d, the ratio does not change. A to b equals a times d to b times d. For example, if a equals 5, b equals 6, and d equals 3, 5 to 6 equals 5 times 3 to 6 times 3, which equals to 15 to 18, which is equivalent to 5 to 6. A proportion is an equation of two ratios. For example, a over b equals c over d. We can find a if we know b, c, and d, or we know b and the value of c over d. For example, if we know that b equals 8, c equals 1, and d equals 4, we can multiply both sides by 8 and we get a equals 2. A over b equals c over d is also equivalent to ad equals bc, a over c equals b over d, d over c equals c over a, and b over a equals d over c. Now we're going to do an example from the 2006 AMC 10B. Joe and Joanne each bought 12 ounces of coffee in a 16-ounce cup. Joe drank 2 ounces of his coffee and then added 2 ounces of cream. Joanne added 2 ounces of cream, stirred the coffee well, and then drank 2 ounces. What is the resulting ratio of the amount of cream in Joe's coffee to that in Joanne's coffee? In the problem, it states that Joe drank 2 ounces of coffee and then added 2 ounces of cream. So he has 10 ounces of coffee and 2 ounces of cream left in his cup. The fractional parts of cream in Joe's cup is 2 ounces of cream over 12 ounces of the coffee cream mixture, which is equal to 1 over 6. Joanne added 2 ounces of cream into her coffee and then drank 2 ounces of the coffee cream mixture, so she has 12 ounces of the coffee cream mixture left in her cup. The fractional parts of cream in her cup is 2 ounces of cream over 14 ounces of the coffee cream mixture, which is equal to 1 over 7. So the amount of cream in Joe's coffee to that in Joanne's coffee is 1 over 6 over 1 over 7, which equals to 7 over 6. The answer is E. That is all for today. Thank you.